Hello guys from Genius Audio USA. Today we're gonna present you a new box design from Genius. Since Genius have this slim woofers for you, they're 400 RMS, available in 10-inch and 12-inch, and only 4 inches of mounting depth. We have designed and built some boxes in order to match these woofers. The boxes will go in a wide range from 0.25 cubic feet up to 1 cubic feet. And you'll be able to match the boxes with one 10-inch, one 12-inch, or either two 10-inch or two 12 inches. All boxes come with carpet and the embroidered Genius logo on them. Something really important is the mounting depth of the box itself. As you can see, they're a little skinny, and all of them have the terminal on the side for an easier installation. So once you have this box, you'll be able to put it on small cars or even on pickup trucks, which is the most common use purpose of these boxes. If you want to know more about this, log on to geniusaudioUSA.com and stay tuned for more videos like this one.